When adding controls to pages, you often need to set many different properties. This can be time-consuming when you need many controls to have the same appearance. The CSS class property is a partial solution to this problem, but there are many properties that you cannot set using CSS code alone. Using skins, you can create presets for almost every property of a control. To begin this lesson, open the Market Trader project from your sample files folder. And you're going to add a skin file to the project. To do this, first switch to the Solution Explorer window, if it isn't visible already. Then right-click Market Trader in the Solution Explorer and click Add, New Item. Now click Web in the left-hand pane if it isn't selected already. Then scroll down in the central pane and click Skin File. In the name box, type bluegridviews.skin and click Add. You are prompted to place your new skin file inside a special app_themes folder. Click Yes to confirm that the file should be placed in the app_themes folder. Your new skin file is created and opened. If you look in the Solution Explorer, you can see that 2 new folders have been created along with your skin file. The app_themes folder is one of ASP.NET's special folders. Just as the app_data folder contains databases, the app_themes folder is intended to contain only skin files and CSS style sheets. The blue grid view folder represents a theme. Because the bluegridviews.skin file is in the bluegridviews folder, it's treated as part of the bluegridviews theme. You will learn more about themes later in this session and in the next lesson. Note that the default Web Forms application project does not use skins. If you expand the Content folder in the Solution Explorer, you can see that it contains a Themes folder. The contents of this folder are completely unrelated to ASP.NET's Themes feature. The Content Themes folder contains resources that are used by the jQuery User Interface library, which provides extended JavaScript user interface features. You don't have to use the JavaScript user interface library, but it is included with every new ASP.NET 4.5 Web Forms application project. Now you're going to configure your new skin to apply a blue color scheme to every grid view control that uses the theme. Add the following code to the bottom of your skin file. Make sure that the code is outside the % tags. ASP::gridView runAt equals server skin ID equals blue grid view forecolor equals white header style back color equals slate blue row style back color equals navy alternating row style back color equals blue end ASP grid view. This skin will apply a blue color scheme to any grid view control that uses it. Note that skins are only able to specify values for properties that affect the appearance of a control. Properties that only affect the behavior of controls cannot be set using skins. Now you're going to apply your new skin to the grid view control on the marketdata.aspx page. Open marketdata.aspx in Design View then click the drop-down menu in the Properties window and select Document, then set the Theme property to Blue Grid Views. This applies the Blue Grid Views theme to this page only. You will also notice the Style Sheet Theme property. The Style Sheet Theme property is almost identical to the Theme property. The difference is that the Theme property will allow the theme to override any properties of the controls on the page that have been manually set. The Style Sheet Theme property will not allow the theme to override any properties that have been set manually. Next, select the Grid View control and set its Skin ID property to Blue Grid View. Note that this matches the Skin ID property that you specified in the skin file. If you had not specified a Skin ID property in the skin file, you would not need to set this property. The skin would automatically be applied to all grid view controls on this page, and on any other pages that use the Blue Grid Views theme. Test the theme now by viewing marketdata.aspx in your web browser. When the page loads, click Get Data, and the grid view control appears, showing the blue formatting that you specified in the skin file. Close your web browser now, and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 8.2, Create a Skin.